Hi, I'd like to talk to you about adult stem cells and your heart. Firstly, adult stem cells. These are the adult stem cells that are found in your own bone marrow. And it is these stem cells that constitute your body's very own repair system. And the more of these stem cells you have in circulation, the more repair your body can do. And of course, the more repair your body does on a day-to-day basis, the healthier you are. So let's have a quick look at how these stem cells work in the body. So every cell in your body has a limited lifespan. Some cells live for a few days, some for a few weeks or months, and there are some cells that live for a year or so. Now, when one of these cells reaches the end of its life, an amazing process of renewal happens. So a cell gets to the end of its life, it sends out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases stem cells into circulation, and they travel around the body, and then they migrate into the tissue and turn into brand new healthy cells of that organ or tissue in the body. This is how our body repairs itself on a day-to-day basis. Now, in regards to the heart cells live for about 4 to 4.5 months. And when they get to the end of their lives, they send out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases stem cells into circulation, and they then travel and find their way to the heart, and they migrate into the heart and become brand new cardiac cells and sinoatrial nodes that help to regulate heart rhythm. So this is how our heart is repairing itself on a day-to-day basis. However, if the body is suffering from stress, either physical or emotional, from poor sleep, poor diet, too much or too little exercise, environmental toxins, stress at work or at home, or even the aging process itself, our bone marrow, if you like, becomes more sticky, and it doesn't release the amount of stem cells our body needs to do that repair. So therefore, we've got heart cells that are dying off that aren't being replaced. We've got sinoatrial nodes that are dying off without being replaced, and our heart rhythm and the strength in our heart becomes weaker, and we become out of rhythm. So if we're able to increase those circulating stem cells, then our body is able to repair itself. Those heart tissues can actually regenerate themselves and become healthier. So research has shown that bone marrow derived stem cells can in fact renew heart tissue and improve cardiac performance in humans. Now, this was published in Nature Medicine in April of 2001. Now, another interesting fact is that very specific plant extracts have been researched and published in clinical studies that show that they can actually support and increase the stem cell release rate from the bone marrow to aid the body in its own self-repair. So if you'd like to find out how you can support the natural release and increase of your own circulating stem cells to help your body repair, then please visit www.acuman.co.nz, and here you'll be able to find out how you can support your body's own repair system.